Dear students, Namaskar. I'm Dr. Sardar Patil and we are discussing about economic geography. Till now, we have discussed various definitions of economic geography, then nature of economic geography, and today we are going to discuss about the scope of economic geography. There may be a question in your mind that what does mean by scope of economic geography? I already communicated to you that some geographers take the concepts like nature and scope with the similar kind of meaning, but there is a difference. What is that difference? Nature of economic geography is the methodology to study economic geography, and scope of economic geography is the content that can be studied through economic geography. I hope you might have understood the concepts of nature and scope. Let's discuss the scope of economic geography. Economic geography is one of the leading branches of human geography. It focuses on the study of various economic activities and it has a number of branches. Hence, the scope of economic geography is very vast as compared to other branches of human geography. But through this lecture, I tried to club all economic aspects into five groups, that is primary economic activities, secondary economic activities, tertiary economic activities, quaternary economic activities, and quinary economic activities. Let's discuss about primary economic activities. The study of primary economic activity is the is a part of economic geography, and it includes the activities like mineral extraction, then mining, agriculture, forestry, fishing, then lumbering. All these activities are part of primary economic activities, and in economic geography all these aspects are being studied with spatio-temporal perspective. Also, what are the components that affect on these activities are explained in economic geography. And in addition to that, how primary activities are being helpful for the development of secondary, tertiary, quaternary activities. This is also part of the study of economic geography. Hence, primary economic activities is a part of scope of economic geography. It is being studied in economic geography. Secondary economic activities mostly include industrial sector. Industrial sector is directly or indirectly depends upon the development of primary activities, and also it depends upon the development of the service sector. Hence, in economic geography, one can study what are the factors or what are the components that affect on the development of industrial activities or industrial sector, and what is the spatio-temporal pattern of the development of industrial sector is being studied in economic geography. So secondary activities is a part of the study of economic geography. It is a part of scope of economic geography. Tertiary economic activities mostly based on providing services to the society like transportation, banking, insurance, uh, etc. And it is also directly or indirectly depends upon the development of primary and secondary sector. The development of primary activities, development of secondary activities boost the development of tertiary activities, and the spatio-temporal pattern of the development of tertiary activities, tertiary economic activities is being studied in economic geography. Most of the economic geographers tried to build theories, laws and models while the analysis of tertiary economic activities. Quaternary economic activities mostly includes industries providing information services. It involves generation, processing, management, and distribution of information. Also, it includes research and development, consultation, education sector, media, and information technology. And in economic geography, all these aspects are being studied with spatio-temporal perspective, and one can develop a law, theory, or model, and it is a part of scope of economic geography. Quinary economic activities is also a part of the study of economic geography. It includes the highest levels of decision making in society and or economy. Top executive officials in such fields as government, science, universities, non-profit healthcare, culture, and media are also included in quinary economic activities, and workers, those are included in quinary economic activities, are called gold collar worker. And all these aspects, that what is the distribution pattern of quinary economic activities, how quinary economic activities are linked with the developmental process, what is the spatial pattern, what is the temporal pattern, all are being studied in economic geography, and this is a part of scope of economic geography. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. Thank you.